Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the last known location of Mom on your Poké Gear and in quest logs. This narrows the search immediately. Make sure you have 6 reliable Pokémon with TMs and at least 10 Pokéballs. This keeps encounters manageable. Once done, save the game in town so you can retry quickly if you miss a trigger. You're setting up success. Speed, team readiness, and a restore point prevent wasted time and confusion later in the run. You now move through the central towns and routes where the mother-related events trigger. Talk to every NPC who mentions family or rumors, because dialogue often unlocks the next area. Make sure to use repels to avoid random battles and bring surf or strength to reach hidden spots more quickly. Once you reach suspicious houses or caves, search every tile and open able door. Event triggers can be on a specific step or tile, so methodical movement matters for the scripted encounter. You're at the moment of rescue. Position yourself exactly where the event is supposed to occur and press the interact button. Many scripted scenes require precise placement. If a battle plays out, focus on disabling moves and capture or defeat key opponents, because that completes the rescue sequence. If nothing happens, reload your save, re-trigger nearby NPCs in order, and clear obstacles. This troubleshooting step fixes most missed triggers and gets Mom back on route quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.